Hello friends, welcome to SQL Date tutorial series. In this series, I will provide you many examples of SQL Date. Date is very important in the programming, and in a date we can have date time, timestamp, time, year, data types. So in this series, I will be providing you many examples of manipulation in SQL. For example, I will show you how you can get the today's date, and in another example I will show you how you can we will also learn the date name, also get to know the how to get the date, month and name from the date object, how we can perform the and how we can minus some days from the date, how we can get the minimum date from the table, how we can get the maximum date from a table. For example, if there is a order table, then we can get the minimum order date and also the maximum order date based on various criterias and queries. We'll learn how to manipulate the date in SQL. So we'll see how we can perform the operation to add 30 days to a date, how we can get the date time, how we can format the date, and we will also learn how to write the filter condition in SQL queries to filter out record based on some date, how to use the equal operator with the date, and how to use the between clause, and also learn how we can use the date in between clause, how we can use the like condition, how we can use the where clause, and how we can format the date. So there are a lot of tutorials in this series, and I will add all those tutorials. I will add all those tutorials in this series, and these will be beneficial for you to learn the date manipulation in SQL. We are going to use the MySQL database for all these tutorials, so you should have a MySQL database installed on your computer. How we can manipulate the time field, how we can calculate the date difference, how we can format the date, and so on. Thanks for watching the video and see you in next session. Do subscribe our channel and visit our website for more tutorials and videos.